You can create stunning images with just a few clicks using free online AI tools, revolutionizing your content creation. With the right tools, anyone can become a digital artist, and we're about to dive into the best ones. You'll learn how to harness the power of AI image generation, exploring tools that can transform your visual content from simple graphics to complex art pieces. Starting with ChatGPT, this AI tool generates text-based images, allowing you to describe what you want to see, and it creates it. A real-world use case is creating social media graphics, and a quick tip is to be as descriptive as possible. Next up, Claude offers a similar experience, focusing on generating images from text prompts, ideal for blog posts. And the tip here is to experiment with different styles. Number 3 is Midjourney, which uses AI to generate images from text prompts, perfect for creating unique artwork. And a tip is to use specific keywords for better results. Here is a powerful one, DALL-E, known for its ability to create realistic images from text descriptions, useful for advertising. And the tip is to keep descriptions concise. Canva, a well-known design tool, now integrates AI image generation, allowing users to create professional graphics easily, ideal for presentations. And a quick tip is to use their pre-made templates. Notion AI takes a different approach, focusing on AI-assisted design, helping with layout and visual suggestions, perfect for creating websites. And a tip is to collaborate with others in real time. 11 Labs offers AI-powered image and video generation, allowing for stunning visual content creation, useful for video production. And the tip is to play with the settings for unique effects. Runway is another tool, focusing on AI-driven video editing, making it easy to create professional-looking videos, ideal for filmmakers. And a quick tip is to use their pre-made effects. Perplexity AI generates images based on text prompts, similar to others, but with a unique twist, allowing for abstract art creation, perfect for artists. And a tip is to experiment with different prompt styles. Leonardo AI offers AI-assisted image editing, helping to enhance and retouch images, useful for photographers. And a quick tip is to use the autofix features. Gamma and Suno are also worth mentioning, as they offer innovative approaches to AI image generation, focusing on 3D modeling and virtual reality experiences, perfect for gamers and architects. To recap, we've explored ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, DALL-E, Canva, Notion AI, 11 Labs, Runway, Perplexity, Leonardo AI, Gamma, and Suno, each offering unique capabilities in AI image generation. Now, take your content creation to the next level by trying out these free online tools. Like and subscribe to our channel for more free AI tool tutorials, and don't miss out on part 13 of our free AI tools series. So be sure to hit that subscribe button as we continue to uncover the latest and greatest in AI technology.